Crowns for dental use are a typical dental procedure used to repair a damaged tooth back to its original form and size. It's a straightforward and efficient way to enhance the appearance and functionality of a tooth which has been damaged or suffered severe decay. The process of getting dental crowns is simple and requires a number of steps. This video will go over the procedure of receiving dental crowns with great detail. 1. Consultation with a dentist. The initial step to get dental crowns is scheduling an appointment with a dentist. In this first visit, the dentist will inspect the tooth in need of crowns and will discuss the different options for treatment that are available. Dental professionals will also perform x-rays on the tooth to determine the severity of the damage and decide on the most effective course of action. 2. Preparing the tooth. After the choice to have a crown for your dental is made, then the next thing to do is preparing the tooth in preparation for the crown. It involves taking out any damaged or decayed parts of the tooth and then shaping the tooth to allow for the crown. In certain cases, dental professionals may have to fill the cavity by filling it with a material prior to making the crown. 3. Impressions. Once the tooth is prepared, dental professionals will take impressions of the tooth in order to make a custom-fit crown. The impressions will be sent to a dental lab where the crown is made. While the crown is being made, the dentist can put a temporary crown over the tooth in order to safeguard it during the time that the permanent crown is being created. 4. The crown is placed after the permanent crown has been made and fitted. The dentist will make an appointment for a second time to put the crown. In this appointment, the dentist will take off the temporary crown, cleanse the teeth, then cement the permanent crown into place. The dentist will then check the bite and fit of the crown in order to make sure it's comfortable and effective. 5. Aftercare. Once the crown is placed, it is crucial to maintain it in a good way in order to prolong its life. It is important to practice good dental hygiene practices, like cleaning and flossing frequently, as well as avoiding eating food items that are sticky or hard to chew, which can damage the crown. Regular dental exams are crucial to ensure the health of the crown as well as the teeth underneath. The bottom line is that having dental crowns is a simple procedure that will help improve the appearance and functionality of damaged teeth. If you follow the guidelines in this video and cooperating with a dentist to achieve an attractive and healthy smile by making use with dental crowns,